Okay, people, so we're back. Got another trade. Been a while. I've been away, so not much I could have done about that. But we're back now. So I'll get into it. I'm looking for longs on the day because, as you can see, we've kind of got to these swing lows here, these equal lows, and then we've shown rejection here around this area and rallied up. Took out all this kind of buy side. Come back down, we've shown rejection once when we came near, and then we swept that, showed rejection, swept that, shown rejection, and I can't see why we want to keep pushing lower. It looks like buyers are trying to force the market up. So for me, I'm looking for longs here, just due to previous kind of reactions to this area, and also really recent reactions like this here. Swept at that, close within, swept at that, close within, doji, if you want to go down to that, but that's the kind of reason I'm looking at. I've been really closely analysing this. So on the 4 hours, not a lot, but I think, is this since market opened? No, this is just a full leg up. We've just traded into a discount here, really. There's not much else to it. So we filled this out at 4 hour fair value gap, kind of consolidated, ran up, haven't taken out this high, broke down, traded into a discount. Expecting price to now push up to probably this high, this high, this high. And I initially thought even this high here. On the 1 hour, not lows to go up in the sense I was looking for something. I was looking for some kind of fair value gap or what was nothing. However, we did sweep out sell side here, which is aligned really nicely with a 1 hour trade into a discount. So that's kind of what we're looking at on there. 15 minute, much the same, traded down into here, expanded up, inverse this fair value gap, traded back down into this fair value gap, and I'm expecting us to now keep pushing up higher, up to probably this high here, but we'll see. Obviously, I know we're trading in a premium right now, so if we are bearish overwhelmingly, we're going to be in trouble there. But I think with this holding, correct this order block, we should push up past those highs. I'm not too worried about that. We swept all this sell side around here, so I don't know, we'll see. I don't know why we'd want to go down unless we were looking to take out the previous day low, which is I suppose a concern, but I think we should be okay. Anyway, I'm waffling loads. 5 minute, we traded down into this region here when we filled these 50-minute fair value gaps, but I didn't get anything there. Like I didn't feel comfortable having to inverse these fair value gaps going long. However, we have expanded up now, traded up into this order block, created this fair value gap which we never filled, but then expanded up again, created this fair value gap which we have filled now. I am expecting us, after looking at the 1 minute, to now push up off that and hold this 5 minute fair value gap if we do trade back in, because if you look, it should be roughly in a discount. So that makes it kind of like a, if you mix it with a fair value gap, if we fill this fair value gap and this order block, that's quite a high rate, but I don't want to miss my entry in case that is what ends up happening. So 1 minute, much the same, rallied up here, filled this fair value gap, and then expanded, came back down, and then we're going off of that. So I'm going to take a partial as well, actually, at roughly that level there, 131394, just because that is where there is an unfilled 50-minute fair value gap. 13, what is our actual take profit? 4, 1313, 390 will go. Nope. Because I think it's a little bit beneath that. We're looking at it's this high here. So, alright, let's see how we get on. Interesting start. I mean, slight heart palpitation in that candle form because that is crazy. But then again, we have inversed that fair value gap, which isn't ideal. So we're in that 5 minute now. I'm not massively optimistic about that. Look. There we go. And we're out. Let's see how we played out. Went a bit higher. Not much though. So I think I would like more on the hourly, but then again, I can't just not trade. In that case, it looked good in the sense that we stuck to all this sell side within a discount. That looks okay. 15-minute, maybe we needed more. Maybe we're gonna trade down into this order block. I don't know. I need to let this play out, but it's so annoying when I come back to it later if I haven't let it play out. So we're trading into that order block there and showing a really bullish reaction. That's okay. So we stuck to that sell side and then came into this order block on the 15-minute here. Expanded up, came back down, filled the fair value gap, and then just ripped up to kind of where I thought we would, which is this high here. But I don't know why this has happened later, because this is trading really deep into a discount, so it's hard to anticipate the price is going to do that. But that being said, I would say we should look for more on the 15-minute, but we got this expansion up. But I suppose it wasn't a change in state delivery, it wasn't a shift in market structure, it was just kind of a rogue fair value gap. Whereas here you can see, change state delivery, broke down, filled the fair value gap, expanded up. That's maybe something we should look for a little bit more. You know, change state delivery, shift market structure after the leg down, just swept out sell side after the order block. That makes more sense than just like a rogue 15-minute candle, I think. So, not to worry about too much. As I said, we're probably a bit rusty because we haven't done this in a while as well, but that's good. I'm happy that our bias was correct, because I feel like mistiming my entry is something I do quite regularly, but it's an easier fix than working out bias. Right, okay, cool. Any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.